Hi, I'm Dwight Whitberry with DL Whitberry Designs. The holiday is all about spending time with the family, right? So here are a couple of projects I'm going to share with you that you can do with the kids and create new, lasting memories.
So I'm starting off this project with dollar store ornaments. From there, my next stop was a fabric store and their decorative trim section. Now in the bridal section, I found this rhinestone trim. It's quite heavy. It feels like a piece of jewelry. So when working with this, we're going to need Easy 6000 glue, which will hold absolutely anything. A tape measure, my chalk pen, because I want to make sure that my trim stays nice and straight all the way around, and a hot glue gun. Once we get it all measured out, I start applying the trim with the Easy 6000 glue, and that's the finished product. Absolutely gorgeous ornament for about $2. So after applying that, I got to thinking about, well, what if I take discarded pieces of junk jewelry and apply it to ornaments? Now I know a lot of you ladies have a junk drawer or junk box of broken pieces of jewelry that you just simply haven't gotten rid of. So why not turn your junk jewelry into a treasured ornament? So here I've already applied my decorative trim, which was about 39 cents. And now I'm going to start applying some of the broken pieces of jewelry. This is one of the finished products. Now check out a couple other ones. It's totally up to you just how over the top and elaborate you want your ornament to be. It really is just about having fun and spending some quality family time together. Here's more of a step-by-step where I'm again just applying pieces that I've picked out from a pile of junk jewelry and applying it to the ornament. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.